Hi, welcome back to Computex 2011. Today I'm joined by Tero Sarkkinen. Tero, first, give us a bit of background about yourself and where you've come from in the industry and where you are today.
Right. Well, so I was working for 10 years for a company called Futuremark.
Yeah, which our readers will be very familiar with.
Yeah, I suppose so. And I was ultimately as the CEO of Futuremark, and then was given a chance of basically establishing a new company and taking a part of Futuremark with me. So this was the Futuremark's mobile division, and set it up as a new company called Rightware. We've been in the business since December 2009, and we are now focusing on 3D UI technology and mobile benchmarks.
Okay, so the company that you've established now is called Rightware. Tell us a bit about this company and what it's hoping to achieve.
Sure. So Rightware is a 3D UI specialist. What we have is a 3D UI middleware, and basically our vision is to become the Adobe of the embedded industry, if you will. So we have focused our UI for very rapid UI design and immediate deployment on a wide variety of embedded devices, from cell phones, tablets, set-top boxes, cars, which we are doing, and things like that.
Okay, it's important to mention, you mentioned that you're involved in the UI, but it's not actually just the user interface, it's actually the engine that drives that.
Yes, that's very much correct. So we call it Kanzi technology or UI solution, and it consists of a UI creation tool that UI designer uses on the desktop, and then when he or she is ready, they click a button, we generate a file, and then our runtime on the target device executes the UI.
Okay, so 3D user interfaces, they're going to be a visual treat. What do you think they'll bring to users in terms of added functionality?
Yes, well, first of all, 3D UIs are looking so much better than, once you use it once, you cannot go back. And particularly now with our partnership with Master Image, we are now able to deliver an autostereoscopic 3D UI. It's so AS3D UI. And that's just fantastic because now you can experience the stereoscopic 3D effect without any glasses. So it's just phenomenal.
Okay, one of the barriers with 3D interfaces at the moment is that they are designed to work on both 2D and 3D screens. So people who are involved in 3D say that we're not making full use of the technology. Things aren't popping out of the screen just yet because they have to be backward compatible with 2D. So when are we going to start seeing interfaces that are truly 3D and designed to be 3D from the ground up?
Well, very, very fast, I think. We will see the first designs that have been entirely thought with 3D in mind. I think that some handsets, or I know actually, will start shipping already this year with our stuff in it. And we have partnered with many leading UI and UX design agencies, and they are now getting their brains wrapped around this idea, and I think that some breakthrough ideas will come from that direction too.
Okay, and in terms of implementation, we've talked about the obvious. We're going to have smartphones, tablets. Where do you see 3D user interfaces being implemented beyond that?
Well, they're going everywhere, much like Android is going to places other than just what you talked about. We can find those nearly anywhere where we see screens. So starting from elevators, there will be medical applications and military applications for sure, and some industrial, and then all the consumer things. So, your next dishwasher will be stereo 3D, I'm sure.
So worldwide domination would suit you just fine?
Yes, we're on the quest.
Excellent. Okay, that's Rightware. Stay tuned for more from them in the coming years.